Hi guys, welcome to TechCatAssist. In this video I want to show you how to change the view of the taskbar in Windows 11. So yeah, recently what I've done is I've updated my computer to Windows 11, so it's kind of new for me as well. So I'm gonna try to upload more videos about Windows 11 from now on. But the first thing what I've noticed is that I don't like I got used to it Windows 10 kind of taskbar and icons on the taskbar on the bottom. So I gonna show you how to change that. It's very easy thing to do. If you right click on the taskbar, just right click, and then you see the taskbar settings. Okay, that opens for you the taskbar settings. Here you can disable and enable icons and other options on the taskbar. So for example, if I don't want to have this icon chat, I'm gonna click on that to disable this, and that comes out of the taskbar on the bottom. Okay, and put that back on. But in this case, I wanted these icons to be on the left hand side like in Windows 10, because it's just a bad habit of having this. I don't like this here in the middle. It reminds me of Mac. I don't like Macs. I prefer Windows computers because they're much easy to use. So, but it's a personal preference, of course. Some people love Macs, but I think Windows is pretty much kind of very good system at the moment. So I want to put this on the left hand side. So when I gonna click on taskbar behaviors, and then option taskbar management, and then I'm gonna click on this, and then option left. So you see that goes to my left hand side like it was in Windows 10. So for me it's much better because I see all the icons will be building up here. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna close this. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video guys, please subscribe and of course hit the like button. That'd be great, and stay tuned for more videos soon. Thank you.